The homeowner that contracted us to run underground downspouts was not responsible for the existing system. What you see here is a really bad idea. The water was just ran away from the house a little bit, but it rotted out the deck posts. Those are new. Those were replaced. Now we're being contracted to come in and to do this correctly. To run that downspout, we pulled up the brick paver walk. We're going to use dual wall pipe, corrugated dual wall pipe. We're going to take that pipe all the way out to here. Not only are we far away from the house, we're not going to do any harm to the foundation, but we have enough drop to empty all the water out of the pipe, out of the drainage system. The reason why that is so important here in Michigan is because if there's water left to lie in the pipe, it's going to freeze up. And then when we do have a thaw, we're not going to have good drainage. For more tips and tricks about building outdoor drainage systems in the north, subscribe. And if you're looking for this service in southeastern Michigan, give us a call.